So let's talk about Gymshark. If you've never heard of Gymshark, it's basically just a sportswear brand, and most of the people that I see wearing this brand are people who go to the gym. The first time I came across this brand, I was watching a fitness YouTuber and she was just wearing Gymshark, everything Gymshark. That's the first time I came across the brand, and since then I've been a fan. Like, I love how their clothing looks. I like how it fits. I hear that the material is great all the time. The thing that I love the most probably about their leggings is how the waistband looks, and I've always wanted to buy something from them, guys. You don't understand. I was finally able to save some money and actually buy a few items. So I bought 4 things. I bought 2 pair of leggings, 1 crop top, and a sports bra, which is the one I'm wearing now. So basically that's the first item. But before we get there, I want to tell you guys about something that just it caught me by surprise. I was shook. I was very confused, honestly. I was confused by the whole thing, and I still don't understand why it's like that. When I got more interested in the brand, I started looking at their website, and I was like basically just seeing everything they had, and I was doing that on the US website. So the prices were in dollars. A pair of leggings is usually around $50, and then the tops will be like 40 or 30, and I saw all of those prices and I was like, okay, I already had a figure in mind. Like, I already knew how much I would need to buy what I want. Now I'm ready to buy my things, and I'm ready to actually pay for them and have them shipped to my house. So I go onto the rest of the world website, which is where other countries are, like South Africa, Angola, whatever. If your country doesn't have its own website, you fall under rest of the world. So I went onto that website and I looked at the items that I wanted to get, but I noticed that the prices were different. And I mean, like, different as in they were $10 more than the prices on the US website. And I was like, I was confused. I was like, maybe I'm on the wrong website, you know, maybe it's only this item that's $10 more expensive. Maybe I'm looking at like the wrong thing, and I don't know, something else has to be wrong here, right? Because why would you charge me $10 more? A pair of leggings that were $50 on the US store were $60 on the rest of the world store, and I'm still very confused by it. I don't understand why there's a $10 to $5 increase on all the items that are on the website. I don't understand. Someone, if you know why they might do this or why they do it, just tell me, please. Someone just tell me, because I actually don't understand why that's a thing. It's the first time I've ever seen it on any type of clothing website, or any website that I've ever seen. I don't know, maybe other brands also do this, but I'm not familiar with any that do it. So yeah, no shame, I was shocked. I wanted to get my things and have them shipped to my house, but I couldn't even do that, because now if I get 4 items, then I'm basically paying like $40 above the price that it would be originally, plus the $15 shipping. That's $55, guys. It's a lot, and my pockets are not deep. Okay? My pockets are really not deep, and even if they were deep, I didn't budget for that much. So I decided to get them on the US website instead. I ordered my stuff and I got them delivered to my friend's house, and my friend sent it to someone who was going to bring it over here. And yeah, that's how I got my stuff. I don't remember how much I spent, so I'll just leave it here. So I bought 4 items, and I bought these at 2 separate occasions. So the first time I bought these was like around April, I think, which I've been waiting for a while, guys. I bought the first 2 items around April, and I paid full price for those. And then the other 2 I bought during their summer sale, so those had discounts on it, which was proper, guys. Their summer sale is proper. That is what I call a sale. That was a sale, okay? So the first thing I got is this sports bra, and it has the length of a crop top, which I like. It has some nice cutouts on the back, and they're very pretty, but they can have a little bit of spillage on that back fat area, which isn't very flattering, but you know, it's fine. I got this in a small because that's the size I usually wear for sports bras, and it does fit quite well. I would say this is a light to medium support bra. Like, for me, For me it's okay, but then I'm not packing, so anything for me works. And then I got 2 pairs of leggings. One is the Vital Seamless and then the other one is the Energy Seamless. I got them in 2 different sizes because I wanted to see the difference between the small and the medium, because I kid you not, everyone and their cousin wears a small in Gymshark, and I don't understand how that can be, because you can clearly see that these people are not the exact same size, but they're both wearing a small. And I was like, I need to know why. I need to know why, and I need to know if it's gonna fit me, okay? Also, I was just really confused on which size to get, because if you read the reviews on the website and look at their size chart, it's kind of like, you know, it doesn't really steer you into, okay, yeah, I must get a medium. So these are the 2 leggings. This is the Vital Seamless in a small, and this is the Energy Seamless in a medium. I think the prices are reasonable because the things you get are actually really good material, and we all know if you want good material, you're probably gonna pay a higher price. So this is the small, and it actually does fit me. It fits perfectly on the waistband and the thigh, but like from my knee going down, it's quite tight, but not like suffocating tight, like your blood will stop circulating tight, not that tight. The tightest part for me that actually kind of annoys me is this ankle part here. I wish this was like bigger. Like, I will stretch it. As much as it doesn't fit exactly how I would want it to fit, I can definitely use it. I use it and I can still be comfortable using them, and I would wear these to the gym. I wouldn't feel like I'm suffocating because they don't make me feel suffocated, and that's because of the material that they use. In another brand's leggings, I wouldn't be a small, like it wouldn't fit me. Either the length would be wrong, or just my thighs wouldn't fit properly and the waist wouldn't, it wouldn't work. But this works because the material is straight, it's stretchy. Like, please just, it's very stretchy. So it really hugs your body instead of, you know, fighting with it. And then you have the medium. This one is in the color Dusty Pink. And the thing I love the most about these leggings is the very nice detailing. Like here, it looks amazing. And yeah, the detailing just continues, and then towards the end it's like this. The thing I want to say with the medium is that around the ankle it's too big. I think it's too big because of the detailing that they have around here. Like, if it was just a solid material, then it would definitely, then I think it would fit properly. The waistband on this one is a tiny bit bigger than I would want it to be. My perfect size waistband is the small. This is the difference between the size of the waistband. So the medium is the pink and the small is the black. If you're around the same size as me, I would definitely say go for a medium. You'll feel more comfortable, which I think we all want to feel, even when we're going to the gym. I'll leave all my measurements down below so you guys can use it as a reference in case you want to pick up any of these things. So the last thing I got is this Vital Seamless crop top, and it has, it's long sleeve, and it has the nice thumb holds. I also got this in a small, but I would definitely size up to a medium because it fits, but it doesn't fit the way it needs to fit, you know. It's a little bit too tight for me, and also the length of the crop is like around the same length as the sports bra, but I'm pretty sure that's because it's a small. If I had this in a medium, then it would fit better. I think the only reason why it actually fits me and it looks okay is because the length of the arms on this run a bit longer than normal. So it fits, and I can still use the thumb holes, and the material is also stretchy, which is nice. But if you stretch it too much, then you'll be able to see your skin, and that's another reason why I would definitely go up to a medium. So that's everything I got, and that's it for the video, guys. Let me know in the comments if you would buy any of these things, and if you have an idea as to why the prices are $10 or $5 more on the rest of the world website, because I mean, it's quite weird. And I actually almost forgot, thank you so much for 700 subscribers. You guys are doing the mostest. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share with your friends and with all your gym going friends. If you know people who go to the gym, even if they don't go to the gym, just share it with them, okay? And yeah, don't forget to subscribe. If you haven't already, just click that button, or if it's here, if it's there, wherever it is, click the button. And I will see you guys next time, and it will probably, I don't know what video it's gonna be. Maybe it's gonna be a fitness video, maybe it's gonna be a makeup video, I don't know.